Hello everyone, I'm John and this is Just the Gearhead. This is just going to be a quick little update video. Probably won't be a lot in it. Because really all I've been doing is this. And this. And more of this. And a whole lot more of this. Which is why I'm kind of dirty and covered in metal shavings at the moment. So that's really all I've been doing is working on that, the floor reinforcements. I still have to fill in the end of the brackets because the bracket was like a kind of like a U shape along the floor. So there's now the new plate in it, the U. I have to fill in that gap. So we'll do that probably next episode. We'll see. I'm also hoping that soon we can get on to doing the body mounts and figuring out the back part of the frame where the spare tire well is, figure out how I want to deal with that issue. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. For all of you who have already subscribed, I thank you very much. For those of you who have bought t-shirts, I thank you again. And all the proceeds, like I said in the past, go to the projects and to building the channel. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.